Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use the Magic Write in Canva. Maybe you want to know how to use the Magic Write on Canva to help you enhance your writing skills, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how you can use the Magic Writer on Canva. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First you will need to do is to open your Canva application. Once you open your Canva application, scroll down and then as you can see in here, Magic Write. Simply scroll down to the left so that you can have a good sight. In here you can see this, try out Magic Write everywhere. Simply tap on it. And as you can see in here, Magic Write is now available also for teachers. Magic Write is your AI-powered writing assistant now available to teachers. As you can see, you can also read this and after that, tap on this try it out. And then you'll be directed into this page. As you can see, use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. For example, I want to write a story about a dog meeting with a cat. So I'll just simply describe here what I want. After you describe it, simply tap on this button. And as you can see in here, the Magic Write on Canva makes a more beautiful sentence. A dog and a cat meet. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use the Magic Writer on Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use the Magic Writer on Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.